Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I'm excited. I got another Zuru. The little sweethearts were very hard to find around here. I found this one at Hobby Lobby and this one at Walmart. Ironically, on different days, but in the same town, which isn't our town. So I'm going to open that up. But first, I can't tell you how thrilled I was to get Cupid. Oh, that's the one I really wanted. There are 4. And I am thinking that it's this one because it was heavier than the rest. I would love to get this one or this one. Which one would I prefer? Probably this one. But you know what? I'm betting it's that one, and I am not sorry. Would I love to have all 4? Oh my, yes. Oh my. So these are 2. This one I did myself. I made the little purse and made her little outfit. It's got a little snap in the back. She's got her little diaper that she came with. There's storage under her inside the ball that I crocheted around. And then I just put Cupid in there so that she'd have a place to be. I've got a pair of little Blythe shoes behind her. All right, let's see if I can get this open fast or if we need to take a break in between. These are so cute. You know, I'm not a blind ball person. But these, oh God. And when you touch these, they feel like an infant, a human infant. I mean, it is.
Just really small.
Yeah, really. Tiny little human infant. I guess you'd be about what? How many weeks pregnant would you be if your baby was that big? Just a few weeks. But anyway, the silicone is amazing. They are so cute. And you can do crafts for them. If you don't have these and you're thinking about getting them, when I open this, you're going to say, oh my God, I've got to run out and buy those. Ready? Here we go. Pop. Woo-hoo-hoo. Yeah.
And they don't take so much space.
Yeah, that's what this is all I should collect. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is as what I thought it is. I am tickled. Isn't that cute? It's got like a little fake fur, but how cute is that? It's like rabbit fur. Oh, that's cute. Why was the other upside down? They just shoved it in.
Lazy worker.
Lazy worker. Oh, it's a different baby. Look at that. I have several of the little black babies. I was expecting the little dark-haired baby, but you know what? I'm not disappointed. Only because I don't have that little dark-haired baby. And what's in here? Oh, gosh. Are these not the cutest? Oh, I love them. Oh, how odd. Now look at this. It came with, oh, I see. It has, okay, I did not know it came with a container. So I did get this one, thinking I was getting that one. Okay, I get it. Well, let me get her dressed. I've got him all swaddled up. It's got Velcro there that you wrap it up. I don't know, I don't think it's quite right, but it's cute. The hat is adorable. Does this not remind you of something Dr. Seuss? Let me see if I can, look at that. Isn't that the cutest with the little heart up top? It just reminds me of, what was that, Do You Like My New Hat book? Oh, gosh. Look at my Zurus. Oh, I love it. Thank you, Darren. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment. Would you make sure you are still subscribed? YouTube has been taking my subscribers daily. Please make sure you're still subscribed, and if you're not subscribed, would you please subscribe to the channel? Thank you for watching.